The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Erie County in north-central Ohio, northwestern Lorain County in north-central Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Lorain to near Milan, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Lorain, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, and Amherst around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Berlin Heights. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.